Skin color bright kaise care. 30 days, no bleach, no makeup. पहला टिप तो सबसे बेसिक है, but trust me, it works wonders. रोज का 3 से 4 लीटर पानी पीना ही है. अरे भाई, ये तो हम जानते हैं. I can hear you say. But करते कितने लोग हो? पानी is your best friend. It flushes out toxins, keeps your skin hydrated, and that natural glow comes from within, my friend. और प्लेन पानी बोरिंग लगता है तो उसमें ट्विस्ट लाओ. Add some lemon slices, cucumber, mint leaves, detox water बन गया. Refreshing भी है और स्किन को भी पसंद आएगा. Try it. Ready for a challenge? This one's tough, but the results? Totally worth it. For the next 7 days, no dairy, no sugar, no fried food. Ha bhai, I know it's difficult, but think of it as a cleanse. ये तीनों चीजें skin main inflammation, acne और dullness का reason बन सकती है. 7 दिन के लिए इनको goodbye बोलो and watch your skin thank you. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but what about our skin's breakfast? Start your day with a shot of amla juice or aloe vera juice. Don't make that face. It's not that bad. You can mix it with water if you want. Amla is a vitamin C powerhouse, and aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. Both work wonders for your skin. Chapter 4. 8. Ganti ki nidra equals skin ka superhero. Remember those late-night Netflix binges? Yeah, your skin hates them. Good sleep is crucial for cell regeneration and repair. Aim for at least 8 hours of quality sleep every night. And no, scrolling through your phone in bed doesn't count as sleep. Phone banned, lights dim, mind calm. That's the recipe for beauty sleep, bro. Chapter 5. Simple skincare is smart skincare. Don't fall for fancy skincare routines with a million products. Keep it simple, keep it basic. A gentle face wash to cleanse and a good moisturizer according to your skin type is all you need. Remember, we're going for natural glow, not a chemical overload. Chapter 6. DIY Scrub Day. Kitchen ingredients for the win. Time to raid your kitchen. Ditch those expensive scrubs and make your own natural exfoliator. Mix coffee powder with honey for a gentle scrub, or try oats and yogurt for a more nourishing experience. Use this scrub 3 times a week to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. Weekends are for pampering, and your skin deserves some love too. Apply a face pack every alternate day. Turmeric is your go-to ingredient for that lit-from-within glow. Mix it with yogurt or honey and see the magic. If your skin is feeling a little sensitive, go for a soothing Multani Mitti pack. This one's non-negotiable, guys. Sunscreen is your shield against harmful UV rays that cause pigmentation and premature aging. Even if you're indoors, don't skip this step. Find a sunscreen that suits your skin type and make it your BFF. Apply it generously and reapply every few hours for maximum protection. As the sun sets, it's time to bring out the big guns. Vitamin C serum is a pigmentation-fighting ninja. Apply a few drops to your face every night before bed. It helps to fade dark spots, even out skin tone, and boost collagen production. Trust me, your skin will thank you in the morning. Chapter 10. Fruits equal signs skin's best friend. Remember those fruit platters you see in fancy restaurants? Well, your skin wants one too. Load up on fruits like papaya, oranges, pomegranates, and berries. They are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that fight free radical damage and give you that natural radiance. Chapter 11. Niacinamide, the spot-fading superhero. Dealing with stubborn dark spots and acne scars, niacinamide serum is here to the rescue. This magical ingredient helps to reduce inflammation, control excess oil production, and fade hyperpigmentation. Incorporate it into your nighttime routine after cleansing and toning. Chapter 12. Subaki Thandak, Ice Facial. Start your day with a refreshing ice facial. Wrap a few ice cubes in a soft cloth and gently massage it all over your face for a minute or two. This will help to tighten pores, reduce puffiness, and improve blood circulation, giving you that instant glow. Healthy skin starts from within. Include superfoods like flax seeds, almonds, and walnuts in your diet. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which nourish your skin from the inside out. Sprinkle them on your salads, smoothies, or just munch on them as a healthy snack. Remember what we talked about earlier? Sleep is crucial, and that means putting your phone away at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from your phone can interfere with your sleep cycle and affect your skin's natural repair process. Read a book, meditate, or spend quality time with your loved ones instead. Stress is a major glow killer. Take out at least 5 minutes every day for meditation. It helps to calm your mind, reduce stress levels, and promote overall well-being, which reflects on your skin. Find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Trust me, it's easier than you think. You've come this far, don't give up now. The key to achieving that long-lasting glow is consistency. Stick to this routine religiously for the next 30 days. No cheat days, no excuses. Make it a part of your lifestyle, and you'll see a remarkable difference in your skin. Remember those fancy salon facials? You can recreate a similar experience at home with a simple steam session. Twice a week, fill a bowl with hot water, drape a towel over your head, and let the steam work its magic for 5 to 10 minutes. This will open up your pores, loosen dirt and impurities, and leave your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Remember our aloe vera shot? Well, it doubles up as a fantastic massage gel too. Every night, apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel to your face and massage it gently in circular motions for a few minutes. This will improve blood circulation, boost collagen production, and give you that natural, dewy glow. Want to take your glow game to the next level? Consider adding a collagen supplement to your routine. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its elasticity and firmness. As we age, our collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. A collagen supplement can help to replenish your body's collagen stores and keep your skin looking youthful. The best accessory you can wear is a smile. It instantly brightens up your face and makes you look and feel more confident. Remember, true beauty comes from within. So, smile more, stress less, and let that inner glow shine through. So there you have it, guys. 30 days, 20 simple tips, and a whole lot of glow. Remember, स्किन ग्लो सर्फ क्रीम से नहीं, माइंडसेट से भी आता है। ये 30 दिन का जर्नी तुम्हारे अंदर का कॉन्फिडेंस भी ब्राइट करेगा। पसंद आया? तो लाइक ठोक दो, कमेंट में बोलो तुम्हारा फेवरेट टिप किया था और सब्सक्राइब करो, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो तुम्हारा फुल बॉडी ग्लो अप बनाने वाला है। Till then, keep glowing the natural way.